Hello guys, I'm from Janet English spoken class, or my name is very well. So today I will tell you about that how to improve your English. बिल्कुल सीधा तरीका है इंग्लिश बोलने का कि हमें शॉर्ट तरीके से इंग्लिश को बोलना चाहिए। शॉर्ट तरीके से इंग्लिश हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं, जैसे कोई भी वर्ड है तो हमें उस वर्ड को कैच करना है और बोलना है। जैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम अपने आप में करना चाहते हैं लेकिन कर नहीं पाते हैं, तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको डायरेक्ट मेथड का प्रयोग करना पड़ेगा कि जो भी हम कहना चाहते हैं वो डायरेक्टली कहें। आई वुड लाइक टू से डायरेक्टली, यू हैव टू डायरेक्टली चेंज द सेंटेंसेस। I have written here some short sentences that can be used as a direct. First sentence that, are you crazy? Have you gone mad? As you say, as you wish, almost enough. One more thing, once more, very hot, very cold. Okay, no problem. I don't care. Nothing, nowhere, nobody. Nobody here, coming, if possible, if necessary. What do you mean? When, where, what, how, for what, about what, for whom, from whom? Don't know, I don't know, I know. Do you know? Don't you know? How do you know? I think so, I don't think so. Don't you think so? What do you think? Too much. Nice weather, no doubt about it. True. Impossible. It seems. Such is life. Anything else? Want something? Want a task? Why not? What else? Who else? Don't remember. No need to worry. Why not? Hungry. Not yet. No idea. No risk. No problem. No interest. Can't understand. Can't sleep. Can't walk. Can't bend. It is the next please. Visit please. Window seat please. Got a pencil and got a pencil. I have written double time. So like that, the sentences when we have to speak, we have to think as a directly wording. No need to use grammar, no need to use any grammatical rules or that finding out about the helping verbs, that how to use it. So just you have to change the thought of how to make the sentences and it would be very easy. But direct thing like that, when will you go, what is this, what is going on, and how to make this, how to do this, for what, about what. Short and one and two words you have to learn to improve your English. There are so many options for learning, but I would like to tell that you have to directly think about the words, and that word you can make it by your mouth so that nobody feel you are doing different thing. Just change your way of thinking and your English will be perfect. Short English is more important, like that the sentence is here. No problem. I have no problem. I didn't have problem. I had no problem. But no problem in a short. No smoking. No talking, no running, no fighting, no speaking, no listening, no writing, no reading. Yeah, I would like to tell one thing more, that if you want to improve your English, so first thing that you don't have to pay attention on reading, writing and speaking. You have to pay attention only listening, because listening the words will go and you can improve your English. So it's enough for today, I think. Bye.